Hello everyone! Today, in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, we are going to work on these awesome sun and moon designs. In class, we were talking about warm colors and cool colors. To begin this design, you're going to draw a circle. Today I was using a paint palette to trace it. Thinking about our design, about half of it is the sun and half of it is the moon, so kind of find that halfway point. And draw a curved line with a nose shape for the moon. The moon can go on the left side or the right side. Give the sun side a big eye and decide what the moon eye is going to look like, if it's open or closed. I'm just increasing the size of my eye here. My moon's eye is going to be closed, and the two will share a smile. For the next part, we're thinking about the rays that are coming off of the sun and the moon. We're going to do different shaped rays. So on the sun side, choose shapes that are a little bit more curvy or rounded. And then on the moon side, we're going to change them up and do them spiky. Here, I'm just trying to plan out how many of these rays are going to fit in this half circle shape. Fill those in. And head over to the moon side to do some sort of spiky geometric shapes. Once you're done with those, go back and forth from each side and add in some more shapes. Remember, the sun side is going to get more rounded shapes and curved shapes, keeping the more geometric and sharp shapes on the moon side. When you are done with that, we're ready to color. We're going to use oil pastels, and we're going to group them by warm colors and cool colors. We're going to actually alternate the way that we color this as well. So starting with the moon's going to be cool colors, so greens, blues, purples. Think about what couple colors are going to go nicely together. I'm starting out with this nice light blue. And when I get to the halfway mark, I'm going to start coloring a little lighter, so that way I can blend a darker blue over with the lighter blue. After you're done with that blendy area, then you can start pressing a little bit more hard with the oil pastel. If you color lightly, you're going to get a weird textured look. If you press nice and firm, you're going to get a really smooth and bright color. Once you're done with a section, you can go back over it with a blending stump or a paper tortillon and just rub things back and forth. It will smooth out any of those little bumpy spots and help blend colors in. Pick some warm colors to go on the sun side. And then for the rays on the sun side, you're going to switch. Go back and use your cool colors. So this is kind of our flip-flop part. The rays on the sun side will be cool. If you're running out of color at the top of your oil pastel, this is just showing we peel a little of the label off, okay? Try to leave as much of that paper on to keep your hands and fingers a little bit more clean. Continue with this process, coloring each shape matching. And then when we flip-flop back to the moon side, I'm going to start using warm colors on those hard geometric shapes. Continue following the same pattern as you fill in each shape in the matching colors. Notice I'm spinning the work of art and rotating it as I work, so that way I'm not smudging it with my hand. For the background, we're flipping back again. So if it's the sun side, your background is warm. The moon side is going to have a cool color background. The very last step, and this is the best part, is tracing everything with black oil pastel. It's really going to make your work of art pop and add a wonderful last finishing touch. Be careful not to smudge it. Black oil pastel can be very messy. Great work on these sun and moon artwork, you guys. I'm so excited to see your final copies. Thanks for watching.